Hello, this is Gary with Ultra Plumbing, and I just want to make a quick video showing my plunger technique. Oftentimes I'll have customers contact me and tell me they've tried plunging their toilet and they can't seem to get it unclogged. And in some cases, if the customer is willing, I'll actually send them a video showing them my technique. And in most cases, once they see my technique, they're actually able to clear their blockage and save themselves a plumber's charge. So I'm going to show you my technique today, and hopefully it can help you out too. First of all, you need a plunger that has this funnel bottom to it. They're relatively easy to find in most stores, so it's definitely worth going out and getting a plunger, a high quality plunger that has this funnel bottom. And the bigger the plunger, the better. Once you have it, you just want to stick it in your toilet and seal the hole at the bottom of the toilet the best you can. Once it's sealed, kind of push the plunger down like halfway, and then you just want to pump it violently like this. Now, when we do those little short, violent pumps like that, basically what it's doing is whatever's inside the trap that's clogging the toilet, the plunger is pulling it back and forth very violently and breaking it up. And once it breaks it up, usually the weight of the water in the toilet will kind of force it out and send it into the sewer, and then you're good to go. I'll show you one more time. Basically get a good seal, halfway down, and then just violently pump. Now, it's going to splash a little when you do this, so it helps to keep the seat down. You just want to be a little careful so you don't, make a mess or get it on you or whatever. But usually this technique works really well, and in most cases when I show customers this technique, it will result in them giving me a phone call where they're ecstatic, thanking me for saving them a plumber's service charge. Now, if for some reason this doesn't work for you, it's either because you're not getting a good seal on the hole at the bottom of the toilet, or you just might have a clog that's so bad that a plunger's not going to get it anyway. If that's the case, you may want to call a plumber out, give us a call, or if you're handy, you might be able to get a closet auger and actually snake the toilet yourself. And if you're interested in that, I'm actually going to make another video showing how to use a closet auger in case you feel like you're capable of using one. But that's my plunger technique, and I hope this has been helpful to you. And if you have any questions, always feel free to call us, text us, contact us on social media. We're always happy to help. Otherwise, thanks for watching.